Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Brave. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave app and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or it can cause you errors on your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.